Come with me as we put together a goat cheese salad with the most wonderful herbed dressing. It's easy, it's fast, it's delicious. Next. Show you a beautiful fresh salad with dried fruit in it, goat cheese, because goat cheese is the Loire. When you say cheese, they think you mean goat cheese because there's so many different kinds of goat cheese in Loire. And it's going to have a yummy herbed dressing using herbe de Provence, which is a little bit different. So let's go ahead. I'm going to start with the salad. I have a bowl here of just fresh greens. Aren't they beautiful? Including some radicchio, some red leaf lettuce, all fresh baby greens. And in my salad bowl, I'm gonna add some dried blueberries and some dried cherries. You could use any kind of dried berries that you'd like. These are two of my favorites. So here we go. Next up, I've got about 4 ounces of goat cheese that is crumbled. So I'm going to put my crumbled goat cheese on there. Goat cheese is used in all its different forms all over the Loire. So there goes my goat cheese. One last ingredient, and that's walnuts. So these are toasted walnuts, 400 degrees, about 6 or 7 minutes, and I've broken them up, but not too much. I like kind of big pieces in there too. So there's my walnuts. So that's my salad. I'm going to move this aside and I'm going to make my herbed dressing with that herbe de Provence. It's a jar dressing. You know, I love making things in jars. So I'm going to start with a little bit of olive oil. So my olive oil is going to go right in. Now, since we're using walnuts, I'm also going to have some walnut oil. So I've got it about half and half. About 4 tablespoons of walnut oil and about 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Next up, I'm going to put in some orange juice, okay? The orange juice is going to make it just a little bit sweeter, but not too much, because I'm putting in red wine vinegar for the acid. So there goes my red wine vinegar. Oh my gosh, it smells so good already. Next up, I've got a little bit of garlic. So I've got just 1 garlic clove that I've grated. There it goes right in. And then what I have is about 2 tablespoons of herbe de Provence. Herbe de Provence is a dried mix of Mediterranean herbs like thyme and basil, rosemary and marjoram. And I wish you could see it because it also has in herbe de Provence typically lavender flowers, so little tiny lavender buds in there. And it smells so good, it does smell like Provence. So there we go right in. Of course, can't have salad dressing without salt and pepper. So here's the salt. And here is pepper. Freshly ground is always the best. My pepper grinder's rocking and rolling. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is just put the lid on and then I'm gonna shake it up. Now, all I'm gonna do is drizzle this dressing on my salad, because remember, when you are dressing a salad, what you want to do is drizzle, not drench. So it's gonna go right on my salad, just like that. And using about half of it is plenty. Now I'm ready to serve up this salad. Doesn't it look like something you'd like to have? So dried fruit, creamy goat cheese, fresh greens, and a zippy dressing all together in one bowl. That's my herbed salad dressing, topping fresh greens and dried berries and cheese.